Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Serendipity by Melanie. Just wanted to carry on with the series of the auction lots that I just arrived last night. So I wanted to go through them with you. I'm cheating, I'm doing back-to-back videos so that I can see them. Anyways, the auction was great and I did receive all the items except 2 lots. So they're still in Edmonton, which is 9 to 12 hour drive from here. I bought the church pew that was on the auction lot, and I also bought a toolbox. So it's a 2-tiered toolbox, 3 feet by 4 feet high. So those two didn't fit in the truck in this kind of weather. Here it's winter and snowing and rain, and so those ones are still in Edmonton. So those 2 lots I won't be showing right now. A toolbox, woohoo. But I will eventually show you my church pew. So this was in the back of the truck, and I have no idea where it came from, what lot it was in, but it's just one of those scroll holders, or there's no slot in it, but it's, I don't know, I have my ruler this time. I would think it's 2.5 feet, but I want to be sure. Yeah, it's about 29 inches, and it's wood, lightweight. But what would you use it for? Isn't that nice? I love the color of the wood. I really like wood items. So a lot of people are doing paint by numbers, buying the vintage ones and finding them and selling them. And so at the auction, I fell in love with this. These are the pin arts, the thread arts. I'm not quite sure what they're called. It will need to be cleaned. Oh my goodness. Isn't that wonderful? And it's on the velvet. And here's the back. It's not fully covered, but it's like cork, of course, so you can get the pins in. But there isn't thread showing except just a little piece down here on the bottom. Just a little bit. But everything else seems to be intact. It's really nice. Look at the brightness, even though it needs a cleaning. So I did get that. So I thought that was one lot, just this picture. Pardon me. Another lot that I did get is a set of pictures. So I thought I'd share them with you. I really love ballet pictures. They're just so nice to me. It's that little kid in me, you know? Just so sweet. And, you know, a little separation from the frame a little bit. I'm not sure if I can get that to show. A little bit. And then the matching one to the set is this one here. These aren't large and they're not small. They're a nice medium size. And when you have the pair of them, it just seems so much bigger. But they're such a light color and not very vibrant. It's just, they blend. And I feel the movement when I look at them, just because of the lightness and how they're done. I haven't looked at the signature. I haven't done any searching. Looks to be a bit of moisture here. But if, like I could hang these on every wall in my home. Love them. And the unboxings, I haven't looked up anything. And my knowledge is not extravagant. So these pieces, you know, I have to do my homework on. But I couldn't wait. I just need to unbox them. So just a few items, you know, lots. So to me, that's 4 lots right there with the pew and the toolbox, the set of pictures, and then this one. So right there, that's quite a few lots. But I'd like to go through this one right here. I'm just going to take pieces out from the top. I don't want things to fall and break. I don't know what's in here. So, oh, here's a an inexpensive glass vase. Nothing marked. Just your average dime a dozen. Seen lots of them. Oh, how do you take it out? Oh, look. Very nice. I thought there might be one in there because I seen some fruit ones. So this is the strawberry jam jar. It looks to be in great condition. I don't feel or see any chips and cracks, just, you know, I've only been holding it for 30 seconds. Oh, here's a sugar. And if I find the creamer in the box, then I'll remind us of finding it. And I've seen these quite a bit, and it's Noritaki, made in Japan. But the pearlization lusterware, purple and the orange, I really like the purple ones. They're quite nice. For me, purple and pink are my colors. So here's another vase. I would use it terrarium-wise. They're very easy to find at secondhand stores and yard sales, but a terrarium. Okay, so it's a donkey on a book. Oh, it's a trinket box, and it says made in Japan. So here's the book. There's the bottom. It seems to be in great condition. So my background, being so light, it'd be a little harder to see. I did end up with the lot. There was some curious cabinets. There was 4 of them. And they have a vibrant red felt background, not felt, but velour sort of background to them. So I will be hanging them behind me, but I thought I'd show you them first. And like I say, I'm just too excited just to wait. Oh, here we go. This is a planter. Nice colors. This is great. Just the 2 lines here that are raised, no marking. Oh, there's a marking here. Just a minute. So this is Royal Copley. The sticker isn't all the way there, but enough that I could read it's Royal Copley, which is very popular right now. Okay, piece of Americana. It's got the blue polka dots on his jacket. His little green shoes to match his shirt. Blue hat. And on the bottom, that's what I thought. Made in occupied Japan. Just, there's something about the finish to these. And funny, I do not know a whole lot, but occupied Japan, I kind of can recognize. So that's my first yay moment. I'm just trying to strategically take these out. Oh, so that is the lid. Okay, so this is what I seen when I was bidding on this lot. It's just a jam jar. I don't know if there's any spoons in there. I don't know why I just looked, because there's still 4 or 5 inches to the bottom of the pot. And then this just has initials and a symbol. So I'm not quite sure what those mean. So, nice little jam jar to go with the strawberry jar. Huh? I kind of don't know. There must be something else to it. So those curio cabinets that I was talking about hanging up here, this is one of the bottoms. Because of the vibration in the vehicle coming home, it has let go, but I do know the bottom of them just slide in here and I'll add a little glue to them. Fix it right up. It's not a problem. Oh, okay. Does this? Yeah. It must go together because the colors are matching. I have no clue. It's, they look like they match. And it looks like it has a divot for the spoon. Just funky. Weird. Little birdie on the top. Cute. The things you see. Look at this. That's nice. Holds 3 eggs. The hen or the rooster. Very nice. Made in England, Crown Devon. So there's the marking. Oh, sorry, trying to get it. Cover my face and the ring light. There. So that's probably 4 inches. A little candle. 3-dimensional. They're raised a little bit. Just a mismatched pattern. I don't see another one to it. Okay. So it's a candle holder and it's a camel. No, sorry. It has the raised letters and numbers, but I would have to look closer at it. So it is ceramic and seems to be in good condition. And there's the back. Oh, here we go. Another jam jar. Maybe not. Maybe it's sugar because it doesn't have the divot for the spoon. No marking on the bottom. But nice colors. Good glaze. In good condition. Made, and this just says Japan. It's an egg cup. Easter is coming. Look at that. And it does say Japan. Oh, and then there's a cup that matches. Like a coffee cup, teacup. It's not marked. But the egg cup is. I'm just reading what it says, trying to. It's made in Taiwan. It's a little mouse. Isn't he cute? The ears are in great condition. Sitting in front of the mushrooms. Few little flowers. Cute. Oh. Okay, and then there's a knife. You know, you never know what you get in these boxes. Lusterware. Oh, I thought it was a pie bird, but it's not. It has a solid bottom. but it is luster with the orange vibrant and the purple blue periwinkle. It's a little duck. You can see the feet right here. Cute. I would say that's 5 inches. I'm not sure, but there's something with different colors in here. Just a sec. Oh, God. Anybody know what this is? I don't. The colors don't match, but I'm not. Oops, I'm not even showing it on camera. I'm not quite sure, but these are like holes. And see the back there? This one has a little butterfly on it, but the colors aren't matching. So I don't know. I've never seen anything like it. There's a piece of glass with some fringe on it. Wow. These I did see, but they were laying sideways and I couldn't tell. But look at those. So nice. I was hoping it was this kind of item. Like I say, they were entwined in each other and I couldn't tell. But that and the peach, I believe, is the reason I bought the lot. So there's nothing on the bottom. There's ceramic. There is a signature. Janet? Sorry. I'm not quite sure. But the larger one is 12 inches for both. Like, they are very nice. I love the ease on the color. Just gold and cream. And then the last piece in this box, I just need to clear a little bit of room, is this, oh, it's a collie. This mug here, nothing on the bottom, but it's a short cup. It's not tea, it's probably just coffee. But I see a whole bundle of Wade Whimsies. A little fox. And I think these sell between $8 and $10. Sorry, I have to cover my face in order for the camera to focus. There we go. There's a puppy. Hedgehog. There's a fish. Curled up, jumping out of the water. Here's a bird. I'm not doing very well at the focusing here. Alligator, crocodile, I'm not sure. So here's a grandfather or grandmother clock. Here's a few more. Not showing very well, sorry. But I have a turtle, another bird, little cottage, the corgi dog, a lion, and another pup. the monkey. So those would probably go on my Etsy page, and I'll put the link in the description. So I've gone through that lot too. So for today, it's cooling off in here. The office is outside and the wood stove is lowering down. I think that will be it for today. And I do know that I'm going to be going live with Wink Wink, Joni at Vintage Glass and China. And that'll be at 6 o'clock on Tuesday night. So I believe that when you see this video, it will already be passed. So she does her live live sales on Tuesday nights at 6 p.m. Pacific. Pardon me. So that would be 9 o'clock Eastern time. So I'm just going to pop in and say, hey, because people don't know me yet. My channel is new, but I have bought from Joni. She's got great taste in the really classy glass. So I'm learning from her and enjoying the camaraderie between everybody on the YouTube channels. So please let me know what's in your pocket and hit the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next unboxing from Curiosity Inc. Bye guys.